Hello, my name is Luna, and today I'm talking about birds. Birds are my favorite, and they can fly and they have pairs of wings. I like dogs and cats too. My favorite types are parrots, owls, doves, and pigeons. The kind of parrots were cockatiels. They were yellow, and I like lovebirds too. Lovebird means if you got birds, one girl and one boy, they will fall in love and they will have a child. That's why they're called lovebirds. And sometimes birds are pretty fierce, but sometimes not. Hummingbirds are not so fierce, but they fly very fast. And like other birds, can't fly, like emus, giant emus, ostriches, roadrunners, or maybe peacocks, sometimes even penguins. Some birds that can fly could turn to cannot fly. For example, for a bird that flies to an island and stay there for weeks, months, and years, its wings shrinks and disappears too. Sometimes birds could still use their wings, so they were not really shrinked like penguins. Penguin wings don't have any much feather, but they still use their wings for swimming and sliding onto ices. How fun! Parrots, sometimes I just said I like cockatiels, but sometimes I like macaws too, because macaws can be fully trained by talking human languages and much more. Birds are amazing animals that could fly, and I love them. Goodbye.